What's going on, guys? I wanted to take this time to remind everyone that the content you watch and the people you surround yourself with are what defines you. Whether you try to fight what gets into your brain, sows itself into your thought processes, it's unavoidable that your mind gets tainted with whatever you surround yourself with. And in today's day, more than ever, it's important to remember to create, not consume. To steer yourself in a path down life that isn't necessarily easy, that is difficult, but gives you the opportunity to help others, the time and the mental clarity to feel, to have compassion, to tell the people you love that you love them. Take the time to help a friend. When we fall into these traps and cycles of consuming and consuming, maybe getting into some circles that we might not want to be in, we can start to feel comfortable. We can start to obsess, and it's not healthy. As human beings, we're meant to strive. We're meant to build. We're meant to have family and companions. We're meant to help the person next to us. But it seems that in today's day, instead of helping the person that falls next to us, we seem to stomp on them a little harder. And it's difficult to see our brothers and sisters around us fall deeper and deeper into a pit of despair that sometimes drags us down there with them. And so I'm asking you today to take the time to share something positive, to work towards a goal that will help you, because that's what's going to give you fulfillment. We don't need drama. We don't need beef. We don't need unhealthy food. We don't need a sedentary lifestyle. We need challenges, progress, difficulty, a community that is willing to embrace that and chase our goals. That's why the gym is so important. You get to surround yourself with people that are like-minded and also chasing goals. Big muscles aside, six-pack aside, 315 pounds on a bench press aside, it is about the people that are dedicated and willing to push themselves. And the fact that you get to associate with those people and build your own being around them is a gift in itself. And we've been so distracted and distraught as a society as a whole, as a group, as a nation, as a world. It's important to find our way again, to rewire our brain to our innate human ability to pursue challenges, to overcome hurdles, and become someone that we never even thought possible. Whatever you want in life, you can obtain. It's not a question of if it's possible. It's a question of if you'll do the work, you'll make the sacrifice. But know that there are people out there that want to make sacrifices as well, that are willing to make these sacrifices, to put in the work alongside you and take their time to help you as well. Camaraderie, friendship, family are what we are meant to strive for. But it seems we are more divisive than ever because we're consuming not only just garbage content that is meant to divide us, but we're consuming unhealthy products in our life every single day that are destroying our endocrine systems, that are destroying our mental clarity, that are leading us to depression and zero energy. That doesn't help us build a community. That helps us destroy one. But if we can unite as people, as humanity, and chase things that are going to build us all up and improve us all as a whole, as a unit, we can finally make progress and get somewhere. But in times like these, when we just see people attacking each other, we need to set a clear vision for what we must do. And it all starts with the individual. Everything starts with the individual. Evil starts with the individual. Good starts with the individual. You can make the choice to better yourself. As humans, we're completely selfish. But sometimes chasing that selfishly guided goal will actually lead us to a place where we can give back, where we can help others, because what we learn through ourselves can actually help the person next to us. Chase your goal. Set the challenge. Find something that's going to make you a better version of you, because there's a better version out there. I think about that better version of myself every day, and I hope tomorrow I get another better version. I hope the day after I'm even better. I want to build, I want to grow, and I want everyone to do that next to me. What fun would it be to do all on my own? No fun. But with a community, with people that want to strive, that want to help, that want to eliminate evil, we can grow as people, as humans. We can get somewhere where we're progressing in all aspects, not just one, not just a certain set of people. Across the board, we will persevere. We will become great. If you're struggling, I urge you to reach out to people, family, friends. Help someone. Help yourself. Do what you can. Make the right choices for your brain, your body, your mind, your soul. We will get somewhere. It just takes one foot in front of the other. It takes discipline, strength, and change. Stick along. We'll be changing together.